April 22nd Earth Day? Yes, of course. People all over the world think about the planet. Our planet is in danger. Many people don't know how to protect animals and plants, to keep our air fresh and water clean. What way we can help nature? We can do the next issue of the newspaper Creek about the environment. Okay, let's do. Boys, hello. We are reporters of our newspaper Creek. Please answer our questions.
Okay.
When is the Earth Day?
On the 22nd of April.
Is it important to save our planet?
Yes, it is.
I think it is very important because our planet is in danger. How do you protect the environment?
I plant trees.
I feed birds in winter.
I make bird houses.
I don't litter. Can you give some advice to other children how to protect our Earth?
Yes, with pleasure. Turn off the water when you brush your teeth.
Turn off the light when you leave the room.
Don't cut down trees.
Don't kill animals and birds.
Children, keep our planet clean.
The Earth is our home. Thank you. Goodbye. And look, the children of our gymnasium have drawn pictures devoted to Earth Day. Oh, they are so interesting and informative. Just read. Don't litter. Feed birds in winter. Plant more trees. Turn off the light when you leave the room. Don't throw paper and plastic bottles. Remember to turn off gas. We see the children understand that the environmental problem is very important nowadays. Yes, you're right. Look at our gymnasium. How beautiful it is. We have many trees, beautiful flowers. That's why the air is so fresh and clean. Let's save our planet.